Relax. Relax.
What's today?
Today I'm 21 years old. You feel me? Today's my birthday. Okay. And I'm feeling nice. I'm feeling nice and I'm looking good. I don't even got to explain nothing more. You feel me, baby? Show my stuff. Baby, show my stuff. Stop playing with me. It's everything.
It's the birthday, boy.
We do this different. Son, I just got, this is wine out here. It's not no liquor or nothing. But I got a bottle of wine for my birthday. 1887, and we keeping this for years to come. You feel me? But yeah, Sugar Plum got some stuff planned on over. Let's find out what it is, because she don't want to tell me. So she just had me on a blind goose chase or whatever it is. So I'm about to just go along with it and see how this turns out.
No, because Ray keeps trying to trick me into finding out when we're going, where we're going, how we're getting there, and I'm not letting him know nothing.
You're selfish.
We reached to the Freeport station. I'm taking Ray to the station. Penn Station can be
At least one part of this journey. It's a mystery because I know nothing else. It's like a mystery. It's a mystery birthday trip for me, right? So I know that we're going to Penn Station. That's one thing that I know. She can go over here. She eating her muffin. We got a muffin in the hut before we left. You feel me? How you doing? Is this gonna be excited for you?
Yeah, I think he's really gonna love it. I'm excited.
Outside looks good though. Look at this. Which way are you going, baby? Talk to me.
I gotta get the directions.
So we just made it. We just got out of Penn Station. We just got off the train not too long ago. And this is beautiful. Like my birthday's already good already. We stopped right here, right? But Sugar Plum left the mic. So you probably won't be able to hear it that good.
It's really quiet right now, though.
Okay, we'll see. We'll edit in the video. We'll see how it sounds. But look, it's beautiful. Alright. Relax.
Let's go.
One thing I always told Sophia, I've always wanted to live in the city, right? Like, no, Ray, I don't want to live in no goddamn city. But I said, God, we about to come out here and live, because it's just nice. You know, give me a hand. I'm about to lose her, so I got to take her hand. It's nice out here, though. It's beautiful. Anybody just walking and going about their business and I ain't worrying about you. That's cool to me. Let's go. Oh, baby, you gonna tell me where we going now?
No!
Still a mystery journey.
Still a mystery. I'm going on
We're in the city and I feel like a kid. I'm a grown-ass man. Today's my birthday. I'm 21 years old. And I'm in the city and I feel like a goddamn kid. And I love it.
Like it so hard?
Yo, you don't understand. I see us over there.
That's so cute.
So everybody line up to see it. Oh, I gotta zoom out. That's nice though. Bonnie still don't want to tell me where we're going. So she don't want me to see the location thing on her phone. Baby, let's go. Shuggabun. Why do I look like a school student, right? But we reached our destination. It's a museum, look. Aye. Let's go. It's really nice. That's nice.
Turn around, please.
No problem. We made it. We're standing online right now, right? And it's a planetarium. Oh my god. I don't think people can begin to understand how excited I am for this, right? I'm not going to try to explain. But Shuggabun.
Wait.
Wait, what?
I have to take it from my phone, but I already. No.
But I'm excited. Let's go. This line is long. Look at this line.
And I'm excited.
Are you excited?
For you. I never been here before.
This is beautiful. This whole place is it just brings something out of you, you know? Let's see this. Look at
Did
this.
you take a picture of your phone?
Yeah, I did.
There's another one. Oh, I love this.
Alright guys, we made it in. This place is huge! Wait, what's the name of it? It's located in Manhattan, I know that for a fact. American Museum of National History. I think everybody should check this out. Like, I'm really excited. But I'm more interested in the planetarium. Do you know where the planetarium is like? Planetarium. First floor? Thank you, sir. So we're gonna see dark. We're gonna see the dark universe. What is that? If nobody knows, ever since I've been younger, I wanted to be a scientist. I wanted to go to space, right? She said I'm a nerd, but I don't care. So this type of stuff got me all kinds of excited. This place is beautiful. And I like what we're about to go see. So this birthday is going good so far. Right? His birthday is going good. Even though Shuggabun left the mic, his birthday is going good so far. Let's see this.
Need it so far.
Narrated by Neil Degrasse Tyson. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, did you know that I was... Yo, I don't want to sound like a creep, but I'm obsessed with this guy, Neil Degrasse Tyson, right? So this is gonna be crazy. Oh my god.
You just can't film the time.
Oh my god. Is he actually gonna be here?
No.
Oh.
I wouldn't be able to afford it.
This is beautiful. Let me show you guys this one. Look at this. Wait, what do you think? How does this make you feel? Like, this is perfect. I think everybody should see stuff like this, honestly.
You should take a killer here one day.
Facts. And you look so good. Alright, so now we're waiting for 3 o'clock because the planetarium shows it starts at 3. So when 3 o'clock comes, we're going in to watch. I won't be able to run the camera, so that would just be for me to enjoy it, me and Shuggabun. But now we're just sitting in like the... Yeah, it's all about space though. Alright. We're just waiting for the time to cool down because my feet hurt. We've been doing a lot of walking, but this is really exciting. This is really goddamn exciting. Look what we're looking at.
The ocean basins begin to fill with water.
Oddly, 23 pounds. This place is nice. And look, you guys can see this place is beautiful, real nice. We got done with the planetarium show, the dark universe. That was really fun actually, but we couldn't record, so that's why there's no footage of it in the video. But look, now we're walking around the museum and seeing like different things, but just where this is. Beautiful.
Oh.
It's a storehouse.
Nice.
so beautiful. Hey, somebody's climbing the damn tree
Where?
for coconuts. If he falls, he's dead. Alright, so we just left out of the museum.
Yes.
It was a wonderful day. Oh my god, my feet.
Hurt. A lot.
Damn feet, yo.
A lot.
It was a lot of walking. But yeah, what time is it now, baby?
Late.
It's late, according to Shuggabun.
Spanish, young boy.
It's 5:12.
It's 5:12.
We'll be back in the belt at 7 o'clock, probably.
We'll be back in the hood at 7. She said she gonna cook for me.
Shut that up.
She said she gonna cook for me, so let's see how
Shut
this
it up.
goes. Alright, but I'll see you guys when we back on the train or when we're home. I'm not sure. My feet are killing me.